Hello everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to import your chats on Qwen in just a few simple steps. Whether you are transferring conversation from another device or restoring old messages, this guide has you covered. First, open up the Qwen app and make sure you are logged in into your account. Now tap onto the profile icon and here you will be able to see setting option. Open the settings. Now tap onto the chat option. Here you will be able to see import chat. Tap on import chat. Now select the chat backup file from your device and click open or upload to proceed. Confirm or restore to complete the process. Once the import is finished, your chat will appear in your conversation list just like before. And that's it. Importing your chat on Qwen is that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Got any questions? Drop them in the comment below and I would be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.